So ladies, open for seat. So andito pa rin tayo sa Narvacan, Ilocosur. So andito yung idol nyo, Zaira Paco. And then Jasmine Howe, Ria Palado.
Ano number niya? Ano number?
So Carmela Lois Aglipay dito. So Pride of Guimaras, Kulot. And then Shana Tamayo, Shana Tamayo, Carlota, Mia Villalon. So Pia Gabriel. And then Janelle Saolog. Hi ma'am. Taga saan po kayo ma'am? So yan din Imbaga. Ladies open here in Narvacan, Ilocosur. Pakpaka na to guys. Ladies open. Ayan na, binitawa na. Wow! Wow! Grabe! Oy, nag-outside si Shana. Shana gataon siya. Mia Gabriel, Mia Villalon, Kulot, Zaira, Jasmine Howe. Wow, 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 wow. Oy, Zaira Paco, pumasok on third. Wow! Sika na, Zaira Paco. Wow, 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 wow. Zaira Paco on second. Ay, nakuha. Third na naman. Gandang laban to, gandang laban to. Wow, Shana Tamayo.
That is Shana Banana.
Second, Pia Gabriel. Third, Zaira Paco.
Followed by the
Up.
Princess of Montrose, Pia Gabriel.
Zaira Paco on third, Kulot on fourth. Wow, Mia Villalon. Shana Banana. Hop, wala. So Pia Gabriel on second, Zaira Paco on third, Kulot on fourth. Fifth, Mia Villalon. As the leading Shana Banana Tamayo from Fujisan. Ayun, likit ang laban. Pia Gabriel versus Zaira Paco. Wow, grabe. Eh. Wala kalupad guys. Hindi makaporma. Wow. Lupad, Kulot! Wow, grabe. Outside, Zaira and... Oh. Outside. Wow. Hala, lumipad, Zaira Paco. Oh, Janelle Saolog, Carmela Lois Aglipay, Jasmine Howe, and Ria Palado. Oy! Zaira Paco na on second. Wow. Grabe Shana Tamayo bay. Breakaway Shana Tamayo. Lupad! Wow! Grabe Zaira Paco bay. Lupad. Wow. On the second place is Zaira Paco. Ayun o. Oh, Kulot versus Pia Gabriel. Lupad Zaira Paco. Grabe. Oy, Kulot ang third. Pia Villalon ang fifth. Wow. So it's breakaway by Shana Tamayo. Janelle Saolog, Carmela Lois Aglipay, Ria Palado and Jasmine Howe. Lipad Shana Tamayo. White flag. Zaira Paco, lupad! Wow! Kulot on third. White flag. Lupad, grabe kulot ay. Last lap, last lap, last lap. Last lap. Wow. Zaira Paco on second. Colot on third. With a brand new bike, 150. Oh, kahit injured si Pia, malakas pa rin. Oh, oh, oy, 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 Mia. Wow. Checker flag for Shana Tamayo. Double. Wow, checker flag. Wow. Second, it's Zaira Paco. Third, it's Colot.
We have your Zaira Paco and all the way from
Colot, Nia Villalon, and
followed by
Pia Gabriel.
Baguio City.
Kahit injured si Pia, lumalaban.
We have Princess Pia Gabriel.
And then Janelle Saulog, Carmela Lois, Saglipay. And then Bianli Limbaga, Pride of Cebu, Visayas. Soria Balado, Jasmine Howe, and Carlota.